There are reliable and honest local locksmith companies in Arcadia. Call 626-662-1514. The best piece of advice is to do your research and due diligence before you find yourself locked out or in an emergency locksmith situation. Perhaps you are thinking about increasing your home security by installing deadbolt locks, changing locks and door keys, or even installing a home alarm system. This is an excellent time to sit down in front of the computer and research different companies. Be sure to read reviews, check that they have a local address and phone number, and compare quotes over the phone. Additionally, reach out to coworkers, family members, and friends for any personal recommendations they may have. Call 626-662-1514.